Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to another video of the widget tutorial. The widget of this week is featured list. The featured list is a block-based list type widget developed by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. It's a tool that displays your block in a list formation with primary and secondary interface. Let's see how it works. Let's drag and drop our widget into your current page. On the first look, you can see a large image. This is the primary image we are talking about, and the others with just title are the secondary posts. You can always change the dimension of the list with the section tool. Click on the section icon and change the image height or weight according to your style. On top, you can see the option Image Height. You can adjust the image height of the primary image. Just drag the scroll bar and it will adjust itself. Always choose full image size, because if you choose a raw resolution image, your image might get pixelated. You can always turn off switchers like Show Title, Show Category or Show Counter Numbers, or turn on Show Author or Show Comments. You can do that with these switchers below. Anyways, there's also pagination options available. If you want it, you can keep it on. Let's try turn it off. From the section query, you can increase or decrease the number of items on the display. Use item limit scroll bar to increase or decrease the item numbers. You can select from multiple sources. Also, you can add similar categories with tags. Now let's move on to the Style tab. On the first section called Item, you can add paddings onto the list. There's also a subsection called Image where you can add border radius to the primary image. Do you like the title? Yeah, you can always change the color of the titles, both primary and secondary. Let's change the hover color a bit darker. You can also work with the typography option here. It works for both the primary and secondary titles. The meta description is right below the title. You can always change its color, its spacing, and typography. Category is something you will see above the titles. It's painted white by default on the primary image, but you can always change its color. By the way, there are more options here. You have to look for yourself. Then comes the counter number. It's located on the left side of the titles. Let's change its color. Some random background color. Let's pick gradient. With some border radius, you can always make it square or circle. And increase the counter size to match your taste. Don't forget the typography option. That's it. Your featured list is ready to display. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. And stay connected with us.